Hello students, welcome to Umadevi Children Academy. Students, today we are discussing one important topic, that is the numerical based on the first order of reaction. In our examination, every time we will got the in board exam we definitely got this type of the one numerical fixed numericals in your question paper. So that's why we are discussing this topic, students. So numerical based on the first order of reaction. The first example is rate constant of first order of reaction 50 into 10 to the power of minus 3 per second. How long will be 5 gram of this reactant take reduced to 3.0 gram? So it means, students, one of the rate constant is given here, the rate constant of any reactant in which the reactant will turns into the product. Reactant initial concentration is 5 and the product is 0, right? When reactant turns into concentration 3, it means the product turns into 2. So when it turns into the 5 gram to 3 gram, then how much time we have to be required with this rate constant? So rate constant is given here in the solution. Rate constant 50 into 10 to the power of minus 3, initial concentration 5 gram, final concentration 3 gram. This is the time we have to find. When reactant convert 5 gram to 3 gram, the how much time required? The formula of rate constant is this one, students. Yesterday we have discussed about this one. So K is equal to 2.303 log R naught concentration by R, or may say initial concentration by final concentration. Students, the first order of fraction K is equal to 2.303 by R naught by R, and we are interchanging the value T is equal to 2.303 by K log R naught by R. So K value is 15.10 to the power of minus 3, R naught value is 5, R value is 3. When we divide 2.302 by 15, we got the answer is this one. When we divide 5 by 3, we got the answer is this one, right? So here we have to calculate the log. So here the log 1.666. This value, the point is after one digit. This point is after one digit. This point after one digit. So this is written as a 0.1666. So go for 16th row, 6th column. 16th here, and go for 6th column is here. 6th columm 2201, that is we have 0 as it is. This 0 I am written here as it is. 2201, this value is here. That's right, here. And 6th row, 16th row, 6th mean difference. 6th mean difference is here, students. 16. That's right, 16 here. So 16 I am adding here. Then we got 0.2217. So 0.2217 add with this value, we got the answer is 0.03325, and point move toward the right hand side, we got the answer this one. Right, students? Next, second example, the first order of reaction, the concentration of the reactant decreases from 400 moles per liter to 25 moles per liter in a 200 second. What is the rate constant? So here we have to find out the K, students. So initial concentration is 400, final concentration is 25 at the time 200 second. K find out. So similarly we have to put the all the value 2.303 by T, R naught by R. 2.303 by T value is 200, and the 400 initial concentration 25 is the final concentration. When you divide 2.303 by 200, we got 0.0115. When we divide the 2.303 by 200, we got the answer is 0.0115, right? And when we divide the 400 by 25, we got the answer is here. The answer is 0.0115, and this value we got here the 16. So look at here, students. 0.0115 log 16. So log 16 here mentioned. So how to calculate the log 16? log 16. The point is here, how many digits are there? 1, 6. Only 2 digits are there. So less than 2 is 1. So you have to written as a 1 point. 1.16. Right. If point is after 2 digit, then you have to use initial Monty size 1. Point is after 3 digits, you have to use Monty size 2. So point is after 2 digits, so that's why I am using 1.16. So 16th row in which there is no digit after 6, so 16th row in which 0 column, 16th row 0 column is 2014. Right here 1.2041. 1 as it is here, 1 as it is 1.2014. Right, so I am written here 1.2014. Right, students. So when you multiply, then you got the k value is the 1.386 per second. Right, students. These are very easy, students. Very easy examples. So one of the next example, students, like this in your question, in your NCERT textbook, they may ask. So for the first order of reaction, the gas phase A turns into 2 moles of B plus C. P naught is the initial pressure of A, and the Pt is the total pressure of T. Integrated rate equation is, we have to find the integrated rate equations. So students, here look at here, students. So initial, I'm using the reaction 1 mole of A convert into 2 moles of B, 1 mole of C. The initial is P naught 0 0, and the final concentration is P naught minus P. P is transfer from the P naught, it turns into 2 moles of P, 2 as it is, so that's why I'm using a 2 as it is, and 1 P is here. The total pressure we want to calculate. Total pressure Pt is equal to the P naught minus P plus, we are adding the all this pressure, we are adding all this pressure, then we got the Pt is equal to P naught 2P, right? The P naught Pp get cancelled here, we got the Pt is equal to P naught plus 2P. Again we are rearranging this equation, Pt minus P naught is equal to 2P, and P is taken as the outside, then Pt minus P naught by 2. The P means the pressure, this pressure. What is this pressure? This pressure value is Pt minus P naught by 2, right? Okay, again the first order of reaction, this is the first order of reaction. The first order of reaction 2.303 by T log R naught by R naught by R log R naught by R. K is equal to 2.303 by T log P naught by R. R naught is the P naught, and the R is the P naught minus P. What is P naught minus P? This P naught is here, students. This is the P naught minus P final, right? So what is the value of P naught minus P? The P naught what is the value of P? We know P naught, but we don't know the P. So P value is already we are find here. The P value is Pt minus P naught whole divided by 2. This value we put into here. In place of P, we have to put the Pt minus P naught by 2. This value we have to substitute here in place of P. Right, students? So I am substituting here Pt minus P naught by 2. Again we are converted into the 2P, right? The 2P minus Pt minus plus P. Right, students? Next, again the 2P naught by 2P naught minus Pt plus P naught, and the 2P minus P, this P is taken as here, that it becomes 3P, the 3P minus Pt. So this is the integrated rate equations. K is equal to, right? K is equal to integrated rate equations. Right, students? So this is our today example, students. If you find any doubt, then ask me, students. Thank you so much.